Good evening, YouTube. I just wanted to share a little something I found tonight. I was leaving the house and getting ready to jump in the truck to go take some pictures for a couple properties at work at night, and looked across the street, and lo and behold, there's a 75 Vega that I didn't know my neighbor had, that hasn't been started in 2 years and hadn't been out of the garage in 5. But you don't see these very often, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to share it. So hopefully you enjoy this short video, and please hit that thumbs up, like button at the end of the video. Please share this where you feel appropriate, and hope you think it's pretty cool. It's not a sports car necessarily, and not a muscle car necessarily, but I thought Vega Chevrolet did a pretty good job in this car, certainly from a look standpoint. They obviously had issues with the blocks on these, and this one has been re-sleeved, and it's actually got 200,000 miles on it. But short little video, pretty cool car, thought I'd share. Have a great night.
Yeah, you don't. I haven't seen one on the road for 30 years.
Oh, probably. And when it takes the car shaking, right. I used to have a.
I worked on those things.
All right, I gotta post this up. This is crazy. I didn't know my neighbor had this. It's a 1975 Vega GT. Dave is the original owner. Look at this. Obviously it's pride and joy. It's been repainted. Those are the original stripes. The car is absolutely beautiful.
I used to always change the oil on these things years ago, but
And if your windows are open, you can hear them flying up and down 40. It's nuts.